the number. You can put together, right? And count. But using equation, how can you represent? You need to use plus symbol, right? Plus is the same as this one, like the operation. It's called the arithmetic operation in the algebra, but here this is the relational operation to manipulate the data in the relation. So how can we use syntax? Relation name and condition. Output is the another relation, which means what if condition is DNO is equal to 1. Also among them I'd like to retrieve plus condition, not plus, and the DNO. So ID is 111, for example. Okay? Then, how can we make that? This is a relation, right? Relation, we can use select operation again. Then, ID is equal to 111. That makes sense because it's also a relation. So, then, T, E, and P temporary the relation. Also, you already realized that it can be combined. And employee. Then this is another result. This is the relational algebra operation for selection. Okay? Then we can make the relational algebraic expression. One more. In the relation, I want to access, selection can access the data this way. We can specify the data. But I want only name and ID this way. Okay? How can we do that? There are another operation. This is called project operation. It's the same idea. We can list the name of the attribute and relation name. For example, I'd like to access name and ID. How can you access the name and ID? Name, comma, ID from employee. Then output is the result. Okay. I'd like to access name, ID. Then, okay, that's it. Then, what about this one and this one? We can combine into one. For example, when you access the name and ID of the employee, all employee, name and ID will be returned. But I want name and ID of department number 1.
You have to combine.
We can use employee DNO is equal to 1. Then name, ID, and result. Very simple. Okay. So this is called relational algebra operation. Then finally, this is the modeling, conceptual modeling of the how to access data. We need to implement such a model in our program language, in the DBMS. DBMS, we implement as a SQL. For the SQL, it is called select. From where? Where is the optional? Select from is mandatory. Okay, for example, select is implemented where? This selection condition goes to where condition. Okay, and relation name, like this one goes to from. And select, don't be confused. That select is different from this selection. Okay, name and ID, projection goes to here. Projection, this is a relation name, and this is the condition. For example, in this example, select name, ID. From where? Employee. Where D and O is equal to 1. Always end with semicolon. This is the SQL select. So actually SQL select, SQL statement comes from where? Relational algebra. So if you understand the relational algebra correctly, SQL itself is very simple. No matter what DBMS you use, Oracle Informatics DB2, it doesn't matter. Because all of them are based on the SQL algebra. Also, one more important thing is, can you, later, if we have the many of them, many relations, from the SQL we don't know how to access the data. Because it shows only the final condition. That is called the relational calculus later. But final solution. However, if you see the relational algebra, you can see the details of the operation. That means later during the query optimization, query processing, we can use the relational algebra operation to find the best way to access the data. Yes?
Sir, in the algebra when we write this expression, so is there a sequence it follows or is it like random? For example,
So we will see the more such a thing. Like the sequence, for example, which one is the first?
Yeah.
This one
Yeah.
first, this one first, we will discuss later. Okay? The simple answer is output no difference.
output the same.
But performance is different. So for example, when you go to the Manhattan from Bridgeport, how many different ways? Many different ways. Output, you can arrive, but depending on how long it takes, right? It's a difference.
How do you read it? Do you read it inside out or this way? How?
From the most inside.
Most
Okay?
inside out.
Like the mathematic rule of the equation, you can inside to the outside. Okay? And also I will show you another notation to represent the using the, this is called the relational algebra expression, but you can make the multiple relational operation for the same output. Next class. So in your exercise lab, based on this idea, you are able to the basic SQL, create the table and access the data. And if there's anything that I didn't explain today, the GA will add more information about the SQL. Then the next week we will continue this part. Okay. Any question? Okay. Don't forget to submit your homework to the GA. Okay, thank you.